For today's auto and transportation manufacturers, satisfying customers means delivering accurate, timely quotes and proposals, and error-free orders with every engagement. As buyers' expectations for their digital experiences evolve, manufacturers must find ways to empower users to spec, quote, and order fleet quickly and efficiently, guide users to optimal products based on individual needs, and deliver a true omni-channel buying and selling experience. FPX has more than 30 years of experience helping leading manufacturers and dealers across the auto and transportation industry solve complex product, pricing, and process problems. In this demonstration, we will see how FPX CPQ addresses these problems in both buying and selling channels. Let's start with a customer looking to purchase a fleet of light-duty trucks from the fictional truck manufacturer, Torque. Torque provides customers multiple paths to purchase, including a self-service option, routes to your truck. Torque Trucking has also provided 3 buying approaches to meet their customers' needs. Build It drives error-free configuration. Find It identifies trucks in inventory. And Match It enables customers to buy like a subject matter expert. After completing needs analysis questions, the pool of trucks narrows. In this scenario, the customer will choose to learn more about the Omni model. Product features and benefits are presented to aid in purchasing decisions, and the user can further configure their selection. FPX's advanced configuration engine ensures 100% accurate and optimized quotes, removing friction from the buying process and allowing customers to easily configure complex purchases online. Dynamic visualization creates a deeper connection with products than static quote details. Here, the customer is viewing different hood and gas tanks applications. Sourced from product and pricing configuration details, customers can view the window sticker for their newly configured vehicle to gain insight into standard features, optional equipment, and terms and conditions. Our customer has a need for a non-standard fuel tank positioning. FPX's omni-channel enablement passes these requirements along to the dealer for further assistance. An automated workflow passes the opportunity to a dealer. With a single click, the seller accesses the order details and can begin co-creating an optimal quote for the buyer with the same FPX CPQ application that powers Torque's e-commerce site. FPX's rules engine provides a deeper level of configuration options to the Torque dealer. Here, additional fuel tank options are available, but the right side mounted tanks are flagged as incompatible. Special options in engineering can be initiated from any channel to optimize product configuration and customer satisfaction. The special engineering request is then passed to Torque Manufacturing. FPX's platform independence allows for integrations with SAP, Salesforce, and Microsoft. Here, the manufacturer reviews the opportunity directly within Torque's SAP C4C platform. Workflow Manager triggers a third level of product rules, allowing the manufacturer to add the right mounted fuel tanks. With the fuel tanks positioned where the customer requested, the opportunity flows back to the dealer. The dealer continues to configure the quote by adding a dealer-level option, Constar branded mud flaps. Dynamic Performance Analytics validates the product configuration will meet the exact needs of the customer. Integrated finance capabilities allow the dealer to define and compare what-if scenarios. For this large fleet order, the dealer lowers the margin threshold to 20%. This discount level is flagged for management approval. Dynamic proposal generation, including final product and pricing, as well as order fulfillment details, all help this dealer close the deal. Omni-channel integration allows customers, dealers, and manufacturers to initiate orders from a centralized solution. Users can leverage FPX's mobile and offline capabilities to initiate orders on any device. With FPX CPQ, global organizations like John Deere, Hino Trucks, Daimler, and Bell Helicopter experience tangible successes like increased revenue, enhanced profit margins, and reduced costs associated with solution maintenance. FPX is Enterprise CPQ for B2B buyers and sellers. Learn more at fpx.com.